Here's our part 2 for the Alila Marea Beach Resort visit in Encinitas, California. Now, valet parking is the only thing that's available, and it's $60 per night. And also remember, the hotel does not offer self-parking. And to get here, it is 30 miles from the San Diego airport. Now let's talk about this lobby. It is very small, but the decor is very beautiful, gives me a surfer vibe. And if you blink, you might miss where you check in at. Okay, so here we are. We are going down the hallway. We were on the first floor. And guess what? We were in the Ponto suite. And to be honest, after researching a lot, I did not see a lot of videos on this. So you guys are going to get an exclusive. So let's check it out. All right, so the Ponto suite, it is 1,037 square feet. It is ocean view. It is very big. It kind of reminds me of a fully furnished house and made me forget that I was in a resort real quick. So as we're coming around this corner, look at the glass table, very beautiful. On the left side, it is a fully stocked mini bar and also in the refrigerator. But be careful because it is not free. Now, let's check out this bedroom. I love how the bedroom is separate from everything. It is a king-size bed. You see those floor-to-ceiling windows? There's a 65-inch TV. But check out the sunset. You don't even have to leave your bedroom to look at the sunset. Very, very beautiful. I'll show you guys more about that later. Now we are turning into the separate bathroom, and I love this bathroom. It is very nice and spacious. First place we're gonna go to is in the shower. Now the shower has very nice decor. Some people don't like it. It does look pretty nice to me. It has the eucalyptus plant. It is real. I did try it out. I'm not sure if I smelt anything, but it's okay. Up here is a separate water closet, and that's very spacious as well. This is what got us. It is the dual vanities. I love how they are opposite from each other and not next to each other like how we've seen a lot of other rooms, but I just love how it's separated between the tub. So we're gonna walk out of here. There's my husband. He is leading the way. Now, before we follow him, I'm gonna walk across on the other side, and there's another way to get to the living room. But looking back at these floor-to-ceiling windows, very, very beautiful. Great thing about it is that you can see out, but you can't see in, except for when it's at night. We had to learn that the hard way. So there's another view of the bedroom. This is the other way to get to the living room. And as you see, this is a nice, spacious living room. The sofa is actually a sleeper sofa, so you can pull it out if you have guests, or if you just want to hang out in the living room, that's cool too. All right, y'all, so here we go. We are coming outside, and it is a nice covered patio. Check out the view. Now, what my husband was showing was the actual double-sided fireplace that opens up from the living room and to the patio, and you can feel it. What I'm showing right now is a walk area. I love how it is not close to our window, but we still get that view of the sunset and the beach. And here is my husband again. And what he's gonna show now, he already turned on the fireplace, and check it out. Don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know if you've ever been to this resort and what do you think about this room. Next, we're gonna walk down to Ponto Beach. Bye.